Let's see how you can record purchase transactions using ProfitBooks. So you have to go to expenses and select record purchases option. Now purchases can be anything. If you are purchasing a PC or a new mobile phone, anything, you can enter all those type of purchases using this screen. So I'm going to click on new purchase here, and this will open this particular screen. You have to enter your vendor name, so just start writing here any letter, and if your vendor name is not here, just click on the plus icon and create a new vendor. Enter the record date, the actual date of purchase, and normally this form is created for credit purchases. So for example, if you have purchased a PC today and you want to pay the full amount maybe after a week, you can just mention the due date here. Now if the vendor has given you any quotation, you can mention the quotation reference and the quotation date. Now if you have created a project using this task screen, this new field will appear here. So for example, if you are purchasing this particular item for a specific purpose or specific assignment, you can create a project for that. So for example, now we have created a sample marketing project here. So for example, if you are buying a PC or projector for marketing purpose, you can group this transaction using the projects. Now select the item that you are planning to buy. Now what will happen if you're a trader and if you have created this particular product for sales item as well, for sales purpose as well, uh, this will add up the inventory in your warehouses. So you have to mention where you want to keep this product. So for example, I'm going to keep this product here, and quantity as 2, and unit cost will appear here. Select the tax that you have paid. You can add as many items as you want, and if there are any other charges, for example shipping charges or handling charges, other charges on purchase, you can enter those charges here. If you have any specific requirement, you can just create a new account from accounting chart of accounts under the head of purchase, other charges on purchase, and all those accounts will appear in this drop down list. Now if there is any attachment that you want to attach to this transaction for later reference, you can do this. You can enter the narration for your internal purpose and terms and condition if there are any, and save this purchase. Now once you have saved this purchase and if you want to make payment for it, all you have to do is to click on make payment. And using this pop-up and using the screen, you can record the purchases. So for example, you have paid using Standard Chartered Bank or SBI Bank, payment date, amount, and if you, while making a payment, if you are directing a TDS, you have to select a particular appropriate section for this and enter the TDS amount. So I'm going to say no for this, and I'm going to mention that we paid using a check. So this is my check number, this is my bank, and this is my check date. You can enter the description and click on save it. So these are the payment details. So all those purchases, newly recorded purchases, will start appearing in this table. You can search this table based on any parameter mentioned here. You can just mention the date or the amount or the status and filter out these transactions. Or you can click on this button and mention your criteria. Now we don't have any vendor with this name, and you can filter out the results. This is all about purchases.